Hi students, this is today's class. Ratio and proportion exercise 7.2 continuity. Already we saw the proportion proved sum. This is from the continuous proportion proved sum. So the 20th question is, if x comma y comma z are in continued proportion, prove that. Listen the word, it is a continued proportion. So continued proportion now x comma y comma z are. So x by y equal to, again next term start with y. Y by z equal to k. Next, what is x value? Y k va. Next, from this y equal to z k. So what is y value? Y equal to z k va. Substitute k. X equal to y value z k va. Z k into k. So equal to z k square. That is the value of x. So x value z k square, y equal to z k. Now we are going to substitute these two in left hand side and right hand side. What is left hand side? X plus y whole square divided by y plus z whole square. What is x value? Instead of x, apply z k square. So z k square plus what is y value? Z k. The whole square divided by, here what is y value? Z k plus what is z value? We don't have z, so keep it z as it is, the whole square. Next, listen. Here z k is square common for all the term. No need to expand the term, just to do the simple multiplication. So k square, z square, k square into square, k power 4 plus z square, k square divided by, here also same form, z square, k square plus z square. Here z square and k square is common, take it out. Z square, k square common. So what is the remaining term? K square plus 1 divided by, here also take z square as common, remaining k square plus 1 now. Listen ma, z square cancel, k square plus 1, k square plus 1 cancel, equal to k square. Take this is equation number 1. Next, come to right hand side. What is right hand side? X by z. What is x value? Z k square. Next, what is z value? Z. So z cancel, k square. That is equation number 1. So equation number 1 is equal to equation number 2. So left hand side equal to right hand side. So hence proved. Here they asked him to prove, no? That's all the proof. If a comma b comma c are in the continued proportion, we need to prove this. We have a many substitution. I will give you the homework few sums. Listen this sum now. Listen mark here solution. A comma b comma c are continued proportion. So continued proportion na a by b equal to b by c equal to k. Next, what is a? A is equal to bk. B is equal to ck va. I hope you all understand how it will come. So what is b value? Ck va. A equal to ck into k. So ck squared is equal to a. What is b? Ck. How we did the previous sum in the same formation. Now we are going to substitute this a and b in the given question. So what is left hand side? A plus b divided by b plus c. What is a? Ck square plus what is b? Ck divided by what is b? Ck. What is c? We don't have c, so c is common. So in this, can we take ck as common? So if you take ck as common, the remaining term k va. So k plus 1 divided by, here take c as common. So k plus 1. C cancel. K plus 1 cancel. So equal to k. Take that is equation number 1. Next, come to right hand side. What is right hand side? A squared into b minus c divided by b squared into a minus b. Okay. What is a? Ck squared. So ck the whole square. What is b? Ck minus c divided by what is b? Ck whole square into what is a? Ck square minus what is b? Ck. Okay. Here, listen ma. Take a multiplication. C squared. Already here we have k squared. So k squared into squared, k power 4. into here can we take c as common? If you take c as common, remaining term k minus 1 divided by here c square k square. Here both the term can we take ck as common? So if you take ck as common, remaining k minus 1. Now we can do the cancellation. C squared cancel off. Then k squared cancel. Remaining we have remaining k squared. C cancel. 1k cancel. Remaining 1. I mean k power 1. K minus 1 so equal to k. That is equation number 2. So automatically left hand side equal to right hand side. So hence proved. Okay, this same sum, this is next subdivision. Listen, same thing. This is the same up to this for the remaining all the sums. A equal to ck square, B equal to ck. Again we are going to apply this in the given form. So what is left hand side? 1 by a cube plus 1 by b cube plus 1 by c cube. What is a value? Ck square. So ck square the whole cube plus 1 by what is b? ck. So ck the whole cube plus c cube is common. Now we are going to expand this. So 1 by c cube k power 6. Already we have k square into cube k power 6 plus 1 by c cube k cube plus 1 by c cube. Next in this take c cube 1 by c cube as common. So what is the remaining thing? 1 by 1 by k power 6 plus we took 1 by k cube as common, remaining 1 by k cube plus this is the term 1. Take this is equation number 1. Next take it right hand side. No need to simplify till the end. If left hand side answer and right hand side answer is same, automatically that is proved sum. So remaining what is right hand side? A by b squared c squared plus b by c squared a squared plus c by a squared b squared. Now as usual, what is a ck squared? 6k squared divided by what is b? ck squared. So ck squared into c squared plus b value ck divided by what is c squared? We don't have c squared, keep it c squared as it is. What is a value? ck squared. So ck squared the whole square plus what is c? Right, that will be a same form. K square, what is a value? ck square. What is b value? ck. Okay, now ck square divided by c square k square into c square plus ck divided by c square k power 4 plus 1 by c by c into c square k cube. So listen, all the term we have c cube, take it a common. 1 by c cube common also remaining. Listen,
Continue.
Cancel the c term. 1c cancel. So remaining k squared by c cube k power 6 plus here also 1c cancel. So k by c cube k power 4 plus here also c cancel. So 1 by c k cube. Pause for a moment.
Continue.
Now listen, here I missed the square term, you add square. So if you add square, the term is c squared k power 6 into c squared k squared. Okay, next term, here c divided by c power 4 k power 6 into k squared. Okay, now listen, k squared k power k squared cancel, remaining we have 6th term. So remaining 1 by c cube plus k 4 power k power 4 so 1 k cancel, remaining 3. So 1 by c cube k cube plus here c cancel. So remaining 1 by c cube k power 6. K squared term cancel. So take 1 by c cube as common, remaining 1 plus 1 by k cube plus 1 by k power 6. Take this is equation number 2. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence true. Next, give 23rd sum. If a comma b comma c are in continued proportion, we need to use this. We need to find this. So listen the solution. A comma b comma c comma d are continued proportion. Already I explained you how we find the continued proportion. So a by b equal to b by c equal to c by d equal to k. So next a equal to bk, b equal to ck, c equal to dk. Again we need to substitute. Listen, instead of this b, you need to apply what is b? Ck bar. So ck into k. Again what is c value? Dk bar. So dk into k. So dk cube, that is the a value. Next, what is b? b equal to ck bar. So what is c value? dk. Instead of this c, apply dk. dk into k, b equal to dk square. And c, we can't substitute any value for d. So this is a value, this is b value, this is c value. Now we are going to apply these three values in the substitution. So the sum, this is the sum. First we need to take the left hand side term. What is left hand side? A cube plus b cube plus c cube divided by b cube plus c cube plus d cube. Okay, what is a value? dk cube the whole cube plus what is b value? dk square the whole cube. What is c value? dk. So dk the whole cube divided by what is d value? dk square the whole cube plus what is c value? dk. dk the whole cube. What is d value? We don't have d value, so keep it as it is. Next, do the multiplication. d cube k power 9 plus d cube k power 6 plus d cube k cube divided by d cube k power 6 plus d cube k power cube plus d cube. Now listen, here d cube is common, k power 3 is also common, take it out. So d cube k cube common, remaining k power 6 plus k power 3 plus 1 divided by, here also d cube common, k we don't have any common term. So k power 6 plus k cube plus 1. d cube cancel out. This both the term cancel are equal to k cube. Take that is equation number 1. Next to come to right hand side. What is right hand side? A by d. A by d. What is a value? d k cube divided by d cancel equal to k cube. Take that is equation number 2. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Okay ma? Pass pannadunga. Okay, listen. Up to this exercise over. I will send you the homework. Now listen. Based on this model, proportion or continued proportion, out of these two you have a one compulsory question in your board exam. If you have a previous question paper, just you can check it. It's a very important question. So you can do the practice, do the homework sum without fail. I will send you the homework and board copy. Thank you.